OnePlus has been pushing boundaries in the Android world for years now, and this latest tablet shows they are not slowing down anytime soon. With a larger display, a blazing fast new chipset, and incredible battery life, all packed into a slimmer and more premium body. Hello everyone, welcome back to ZaidiEsTech. I am your host Zahid, and today I have something truly exciting to share with you, the all-new OnePlus Pad 3. Whether you are looking for a productivity companion, a portable entertainment powerhouse, or a true flagship alternative to Samsung and Apple, the Pad 3 just might be it. But first, let's begin with something every tech lover enjoys, the unboxing experience. Unboxing the OnePlus Pad 3. Opening the OnePlus Pad 3 feels like unwrapping a premium flagship. It arrives in a sleek white box with the familiar red accents inside. As you lift the lid, the tablet greets you face up, wrapped in protective film, showing off its slim design before you even power it on. Beneath the tablet, you will find OnePlus's signature red and white USB-A to USB-C cable. However, take note, the charger is not included in the box, so you will need to use your own adapter for charging. We also received the optional smart keyboard, which magnetically connects to the tablet, and the new Stylo 2 stylus. Currently, OnePlus is offering the stylus and folio case for free with Pad 3 purchases, a fantastic bonus if you are looking to get productive right out of the box. Now, let's get into what really makes the OnePlus Pad 3 stand out, the design. Design and build quality. The Pad 3 features a gorgeous aluminum unibody chassis that is just 6mm thin, making it the slimmest tablet OnePlus has ever made. At around 675 grams, it feels balanced in the hand, not too heavy, not too light, just right for a device of this size. The storm blue finish gives it a professional, elegant look, although it does tend to attract fingerprints. On the back, you will see a more minimal camera design compared to previous OnePlus tablets. The large circular cutout is gone, replaced by a simple corner bump that blends in much better. Also on the back are the pogo pins for the optional smart keyboard, which attaches magnetically. The layout is clean and refined, and though OnePlus skipped a fingerprint reader again, the tablet overall looks and feels like a premium flagship. Display quality. Now let's talk about that big and beautiful screen. The Pad 3 boasts a 13.2-inch LTPS LCD with a resolution of 2400 by 3392 pixels and support for up to 144Hz refresh rate. This display is rich with features: Dolby Vision, HDR10, adaptive tone for ambient lighting, and 12-bit color depth with 98% DCI-P3 color coverage. Whether you are watching movies, browsing photos, or multitasking between apps, it looks vibrant and smooth. Brightness hits up to 900 nits in high brightness mode, and we measured a very respectable 842 nits in real use, making it one of the brightest LCD tablets out there. The variable refresh rate can switch between 60, 90, 120, and 144 Hz, depending on your usage needs. Video playback is great on YouTube with 4K HDR support, but some streaming services like Netflix and Disney Plus still do not recognize the panel for HDR playback, limiting you to 1080p, which is a slight drawback. Performance and hardware. Inside, the OnePlus Pad 3 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor. This is the first tablet we have tested with this chip, and the performance has been nothing short of impressive. The chip has 2 high-performance cores clocked at 4.32 GHz and 6 additional cores at 3.53 GHz. Paired with the Adreno 830 GPU, you can expect smooth performance in everything from daily tasks to gaming at 144 frames per second in supported titles. The Pad 3 is available in 2 configurations, 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage, and 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage. Both use UFS 4.0 storage for blazing fast speeds. Thanks to its large vapor chamber cooling system, thermal throttling is kept in check, even during extended gaming or performance-heavy tasks. This tablet simply flies. Battery and charging. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Pad 3 is its battery. It packs a massive 12,140 mAh cell, and the endurance is impressive. In video streaming, it lasted over 14 hours. In gaming tests, it managed more than 8 hours. This is truly an all-day tablet, especially for media consumption. Charging is handled via 80-watt fast charging. In our test, the Pad 3 charged up to 40% in 30 minutes and reached full capacity in just under 90 minutes. However, you will need to use your own 80-watt charger because none is included in the box. Audio and speaker system. Let us talk sound. The Pad 3 comes with an upgraded 8-speaker setup, and it is easily one of the best we have heard in an Android tablet. The speakers are loud, clear, and have excellent stereo separation, whether you are watching movies, video calling, or just listening to music. This is a serious win for anyone who values good audio quality without having to reach for headphones. Cameras. Cameras on tablets are usually an afterthought, and that is the case here too. You get a single 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. The rear camera can shoot up to 4K video at 30 frames per second, with decent results in good lighting. It handles basic photography well but is not meant to replace your phone camera. The front camera supports 1080p video and is more than adequate for video calls and the occasional selfie. Software and features. The Pad 3 ships with Oxygen OS 15, based on Android 15. OnePlus is promising 3 major Android updates and 6 years of security patches, which is great for long-term users. The interface is smooth, minimal, and fast. There is a dock at the bottom for quick app access, split-screen support, and the new Open Canvas multitasking feature, which allows you to run up to 3 apps side by side and switch between them fluidly. The O+ Connect app is another standout feature. It allows you to control your Mac or Windows PC directly from the tablet. The connection setup is simple, and while performance on Mac was a bit glitchy, it is a feature with a lot of potential. Also included is the OnePlus AI suite powered by Google Gemini. This gives you tools like Circle to search, translation, writing help, and speaker summaries, all designed to make your workflow smarter and faster. Accessories and productivity. The Smart Keyboard is a brilliant addition for productivity. It connects via magnetic pins and includes a full-function row, solid key spacing, and a responsive 12cm wide glass trackpad. The typing experience is smooth and comfortable, although there is no backlighting. The Stylo 2 stylus is also impressive, offering precise input and low latency, though it attaches loosely to the top of the tablet and could detach easily if you are on the move. Together, these accessories help turn the Pad 3 into a capable workstation for light to medium workloads. Final verdict. So, is the OnePlus Pad 3 worth your money? At a starting price of €599 or £529, it undercuts flagship competition from Samsung and Apple while delivering top-tier performance, a stunning high refresh rate display, powerful audio, great battery life, and thoughtful software features. It is not perfect. We still wish it had an OLED screen, a fingerprint reader, and cellular options. But for most users, these are not deal breakers. If you are looking for a high-end Android tablet that nails the essentials and offers premium performance without the premium price, the OnePlus Pad 3 is a serious contender. That's it for today's deep dive into the OnePlus Pad 3. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to ZaidiEsTech for more in-depth tech reviews and analysis. Let me know in the comments, would you consider buying the Pad 3 over a Galaxy Tab or iPad? I would love to hear your thoughts. This is Zahid signing off. Stay safe, stay smart, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.